Today, in a bold military move, President Donald Trump, now operating under emergency powers invoked from 2020, authorized precision airstrikes on Houthi rebel positions in Yemen. The Houthis, an Iran-backed militant group based in Yemen, have been disrupting global shipping in the Red Sea for months, targeting U.S., British, and Israeli-linked cargo vessels and threatening international supply chains. What started as regional disruption has become a global economic threat, and today the United States responded with force. Trump's airstrikes mark the first major military escalation under his post-2024 legal restoration, signaling a return to strength-based foreign policy. But the question now is, what happens next? As we head into the weekend, here's what to watch. Iran's reaction: the Houthis are a proxy force for Tehran. Will Iran directly retaliate or escalate through Hezbollah or Hamas? Shipping disruption: expect delays, rerouting, and possible retaliation in key shipping lanes, especially the Suez Canal and Bab el-Mandeb Strait. Market volatility: oil could spike, commodities may surge, and precious metals like gold and silver might rally in response to uncertainty. Regional retaliation: the Houthis may respond with drone or missile attacks aimed at U.S. bases in the Middle East or allied Gulf nations. This weekend could mark a turning point in global military and financial stability. With Trump asserting military command and global alliances beginning to shift, the next 72 hours may reveal the real structure of power behind the scenes. Stay alert, stay informed, and watch the skies and the sea lanes. Thanks for watching Dealmaker's Den. Like, subscribe, and share this video with someone following global affairs. We'll see you in the next one.